guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing an IKEA closet transformation. Here is a before of my closet. As you guys can see, it's a very small walk-in closet. It's very cluttered, especially on this left side. That's mainly because this side of my closet broke down last year and I just installed this clothing rack temporarily. With the wood behind it, it also looks very dark. Finally, I decided to install an IKEA closet to make it appear brighter, maximize the space. So definitely stay till the end to watch the after. Here's a good look at the before, and let's get started by going to IKEA and checking out the options that we have. The first area that we checked out was the clearance section because they always have amazing deals. I actually got the bed that I currently have from here. Basically, they didn't have any good options. There was this one closet module, but didn't have that much of a discount and it had a couple of scratches on the sides, so we decided to just go to the closet department and get something new. On our way to the closets, we peeked at the rooms that they had, and they had this closet. This is the Aurdal closet. I had seen it online and this was the one that I was going to get because it is more budget friendly than the PAX closet. I actually ended up buying it and returning it. You guys are gonna see why. I'm gonna talk about that later on in this video, but at first I thought it was a good option. And then I'm gonna get a couple of baskets to put some more stuff in. I think this is gonna look so cute. Alright guys, so we've made it to the closet department. This is the one that I'm gonna get, but in white. So of course we measured everything out to make sure it would fit the space. We also got help from the worker and two really nice guys who kindly offered to help us out. It's all going well and I thought that this was going to be my closet, but I'm going to show you guys the problem with this later. Here is the little design that my mom made, and here is a better look at the closet. We ended up spending around 2 hours with the worker trying to figure out how to fit this closet into mine, and we thought we had it figured out, but as it turns out later on when we got home and measured everything again, it didn't fit. There was no way. But here is me taking the closet home, not knowing that I was about to return it 2 days later. We were about to install my closet and I was about to take all of my clothes out. Of course, that is something that I now realize I should have done before. But here are the last clips of my closet before we took everything down. And now I'm going to show you guys me taking all of the clothes out, taking down the wood, and just preparing everything for the installment. One of the things that was limiting my space was the cover for these cables, so we decided to take this down and it made a huge difference, as you guys will see later on. This is the mess that my room has been turned into. All of my clothes and bags are on the bed. We're gonna take the rest of this closet out. Got done taking all of the wood off and this is what we're left with. Heading once again back to IKEA because it turns out it didn't measure some things correctly, and basically the one that I got doesn't exactly fit the space because there would be a corner that would be hidden and I wouldn't be able to put things into that rack. We're going to the clearance section to see if they have any PAX units available because I initially didn't get that unit because the other one is more budget friendly. We're going to come back tomorrow to return the other one that I got. We went to the clearance section once again, but they only had the same PAX unit available, and we decided to just go to the closet department once again. So this is the one that I got a few days ago. This is the Aurdal, and we just noticed that my hangers, they come up to like here, so the clothes would practically always be sticking out somewhere along here. It would be occupying extra space. I decided to just get the PAX units because it's just much more aesthetic, more practical. It would fit better in my space, and I also love how adjustable it is. There are so many options to customize it even later on. I'm getting this one for the front, then this one for the corner. Still trying to figure out what I'm going to put on this side. Once again, we met with the worker and finalized the design. I decided to just get the 2 front modules for now and figure out the side later. I'm thinking of doing something a little bit different, but that's gonna be a future project. Alright guys, now it was time to clean up everything and start installing my closet. So we have built the smaller module. Alright guys, so I just got both modules in. Like I said, I didn't get anything for this side because I wanted to take a look at this, organize all the clothes that fit here, and then figure out the rest. But as it turns out, the cardboard piece that goes in here didn't match the measurements for over here. So at first I was able to put it in, but then as soon as I got the module inside of here, it came off. I have white paint, so I'm gonna paint that. That's gonna do it for now. Also, I didn't fix the modules on the walls because there's still a lot that I need to do in this closet. I need to change up the ceilings. As you can tell, the walls are all a mess because we had wood before this, and we also need to hide this, but that's gonna be for later. I want to get my clothes out of my room for right now. This for sure is not the closet makeover video that I was hoping for. I'm just gonna get the clothes in because I want to show you guys where all my clothes are, what my room looks like right now. This is what my room is looking like. We have this rack of clothes, and then I showed you guys yesterday all of my clothes that I have in the living room as well. My shoes are somewhere back there underneath the rack. If I go to sleep one more day with my room looking like this, I'm gonna go insane. Put some clothes in to kind of get a sense of what it's gonna be looking like. This module is gonna be in that wall, and then this one is gonna be in this little corner. We'll just have it like that because, like I said earlier, I currently don't have the little cardboard that goes on the back, so it's very wobbly. All right guys, we're back to this. We're about to put everything in the closet now. This is what my closet looks like currently. I obviously have so much more to do, but that's gonna come for one of my next videos. Stay tuned for updates, and I hope you guys like this video. Bye.